With an expected avalanche of enforcement measures from several U.S. departments, the American regulatory war against crypto is heating up. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, recently took action against the Kraken crypto exchange. Gary Gensler's department accused the business of selling unregistered securities via its staking-as-a-service platform on February 9. As a result, Kraken was fined $30 million and told to discontinue its staking services. On February 10, IBC Group founder Marion Nawfal predicted a myriad of enforcement operations against exchanges, banks, and tokens. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. Crushing crypto by enforcement. Nonetheless, the SEC is not the only regulatory body pushing down on cryptocurrency. According to reports, the New York Department of Financial Services, or NYDFS, is looking into stablecoin issuer, Paxos. However, the specifics of the investigation were not disclosed, although a spokeswoman for the banking regulator told Bloomberg. The department is in continuous contact with regulated entities to understand vulnerabilities and risks to consumers and the institutions themselves from crypto market volatility we are experiencing. Paxos is the business behind the creation of Binance USD or BUSD, the third largest stablecoin. Furthermore, the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, a federal bank regulator, has reportedly asked Paxos to withdraw its application for a national trust bank license. Paxos denied the rumors on February 9. Financial officials in the United States have been accused of taking a heavy-handed approach to regulating cryptocurrency through enforcement. Earlier last week, Coinbase CEO warned that if this trend continues, the United States will lose talent and innovation. Just before Kraken was attacked, he warned of the SEC's staking crackdown on February 9. We're hearing rumors that the SEC would like to get rid of crypto staking in the US for retail customers. I hope that's not the case, as I believe it would be a terrible path for the US if that was allowed to happen. SEC Commissioner rebukes SEC. On February 10, SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce publicly chastised her own organization, claiming that using enforcement actions to tell people what the law is in an emerging industry is not an efficient or fair way of regulating. Following the announcement, cryptocurrency markets plummeted, with total capitalization falling 5.2% on the day. As a result, the whole cryptocurrency market cap has dropped to $1.06 trillion, with several altcoins seeing double-digit losses. How far do you think these losses will go? Do you support the steps taken by the U.S. authorities against the crypto exchanges? Let us know in the comment section below. We will love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.